Are you about ready to commit arson on your PC and throw it in the fucking wood chipper because your image with the background removed won't save correctly? Well, I have a fix for that issue, I believe. So, to get right into it, as you can see, the entire background is removed from my image. The way I saved it is I went to File, Export As, and right here, you might notice your image say JPEG, JPG. If it does, highlight it and just type in PNG. You don't need to do shit else. And then you're just going to hit export. Going to bring up another screen here. Don't touch any of this shit unless you absolutely have to. Hit export. It'll save it, and then the next time you go to open that image, it'll have the background completely removed. This is something I had to figure out on my own. I don't know if anyone else has ran into this issue, but I figured I'd make a quick video on how to fix it in case someone else has been struggling with it. And now you can go ahead and open that image and use it in something else, for example, Canva, and it'll open up just fine. The background will be completely removed, and you're free to use your image however you want. And that's it for this tutorial. I'll try and make the next one about an hour long and talk about my life story before I get to the fucking point. But that's it. Later.